Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix our Microsoft Edge will not close in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that right click on a task menu and go to your task manager, and after that find out a Microsoft Edge, select it and click on a right click on a end task and close it, and after that open the Microsoft Edge. The second method is that open a Microsoft Edge, open it, click on the three dots and go to your settings of and click on a system and performance. Click on system, click on and close the continue running background extension and apps and when Microsoft Edge is closed. So turn off it and close it. After that I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open a Microsoft Edge, go to your these three dots, click on extensions. If any app extension app installed, go to your manage extensions, and if any extension installed, then remove one by one. After that close it. I hope after doing this step your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box open a Microsoft Edge, go to in these three dots, go to your settings, go to your privacy, search and services, click on clear browser data, click on choose what to do clear, select all time and clear everything. Is click on clear now, and after that close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.